How to change currency on Qatar Airways. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can change currency in Qatar Airways. So let's get right into it. How do you do this? The first step is to log in into your Qatar Airways account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you would see your Qatar Airways logo. You see some instructions at the top part of the screen, and then you see some tabs. By the time you scroll down, you'll see booking flights, Qatar stopover, etc. So at this stage, the next thing to do is to move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see some options. You can see the up option, you can see your country, and then you can see the profile. By the time you click on the country, you will see the sorry, let's go back. You'll see the country as well as the language spoken. All right. So one thing you must notice that the country and the region you are determine the amount or determine the currency that would be used. All right. So if you're in an African country, the amount or the money or the currency used for international travels in the region you're located is the same currency as Qatar Airways will charge you. All right, and if it's for local travels, the currency used in the for local travels will also be the one to be used. For example, in Nigeria, the currency used for international travels is dollar, that is USD, and then this is the amount, this is the currency that will be charged whenever I want to make an international travel. And then for local travels, the amount used is naira, and this is the amount that will be charged if I'm making a local travel. So this is how it works. This is just basically how you can change your currency. So to change your currency, the only option is to change the country or the region where you're based, and that is it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and ensure you have a good day.